you can clearly see that the FIIs are loading up this particular script from September 2023 to almost September 2024, which is a positive sign. And even DIIs are regularly increasing the stake, but only the public are selling it because the stock is into a consolidation, we can clearly see. So right now it is in accumulation stage, but management is guiding for expansion in their margins. That is, they are guiding for almost 5% expansion in their margin. So with this, right now, their margin is only 14 to 15%. With this expansion of almost 14 to 15% to 20%, it will directly impact in EPS growth. So with such improvement in EPS growth, there would be and chances for this particular script to start moving from this accumulation zone to growth stage and start to give a multi-bagger return. Hello everyone. So today we will be discussing about a company that is under pharmaceutical sector, and that company's name is Laurus Labs. Yeah. Initially, we will just go through its technicals, and then we will try to do analysis about its fundamentals. Okay. So now if we just look at its technicals, then you can clearly see this particular script is kept in a range bound price, right? So this is a kind of range bound channel in which pricing, the script is kept. So we can clearly see other than this range, even in this range, there is a big accumulation happening as soon as this resistance level, support level reaches. As soon as this script reaches its support level, there will be an accumulation and there will be a price rise from this particular level, this trend line, support of this lower trend line, right? So this is about the channel, and if we also add another perspective to it, then we can clearly see that there is a clean cup with handle pattern that is being formed in this. So this is a bigger cup and a pullback and another cup, right? So it is also trading in a range, and it is also forming a cup with handle pattern. So if you just try to do its technical get its technical targets, then its target will be at almost around 620, right? But if you just look at the chart, it is also showing as a huge headline supply present. It is present at this level, that is at around 600. So here we may also see supply from the trapped holders that are trapped at these levels. So they would be trapped by us at this level. So they would start booking their, exiting the position as soon as they get to see their break-even point. So this is about a chart pattern and a price action that we saw, that there is a huge accumulation as soon as the price reaches its lower end of this channel, right? So if you just go through the Nifty and compare its relative strength, you can see the Nifty got peaked out at almost 26th September. From that level, there is a clean correction of almost 10% in Nifty, but this particular script is almost offering a 6% gain. So that shows that there is a clean relative strength in this particular script. So though the market is falling, this script is not falling much, and the prices are kept at the same level. So yeah, with this we can say that there is a strength in this pharmaceutical company, and we are expecting this to reach to this level. Though this is not a buying and selling recommendation, we are just doing technical analysis of this particular script. And now we will jump into fundamentals. So if you just look at it, then its market cap is almost 2,600 crores. Yeah, it is all these things are not much needed as far as. So if you just look at its shareholding pattern, then we can see from September 2023, FIIs have started accumulating this particular stock, and that is from September, this level. So from this level, and they are regularly increasing the stake in the stock. Though we feel that FIIs are exiting from Indian markets, they are not exiting from every stock, right? So they are exiting in few stocks and they are loading up in for some other stocks. So these are such kind of stocks in which they are loading their holdings. Even DIs are not selling it, but only the public is selling it, as because the price is mostly into this consolidation zone. Retailers would be like unexperienced retailers would be like they would not have such patience to hold this stock for such a long time with this minuscule returns, as because in the same period market in other stocks in the market would have given kind of more than 50-100% returns. They would uh, feel very much tied to hold the stock. So that is a reason that they are exiting over here. But at this particular juncture, if you see, uh, the management is guiding for 20% margins for 2025. So right now they are at almost 14 to 15%. If we expect this to reach to 20%, then there will be a huge shift in net profits. Even though the sales may keeps even if the sales are at the same levels with almost 5% increase in their OPM, it will directly reflect into their net profits. So that reflection will positively add for EPS growth. So once we start EPS rising, I mean the component profits which is negative right now would start to, this will be positive going ahead. So with all these things, we can say, so this is a major reason that both FIIs and DAS are waiting for their OPM to expand. So once that happens, we can clearly see that this script may start breaking out of this zone and come out of this stage one, that is accumulation, and it will move to the stage two, that is in growth stage. Yeah, this is all about the fundamentals. If you just go through balance sheet, even here we can clearly see they are into a kind of capex mode, and they are regularly increasing their capacity. And even in their con calls, they are clearly saying that the margins pressure that is clearly seen in their quarterly is because of unit. One second. Is because of the investment that they have made for future expansion, right? At the bottom of bottom of ROC levels to significant investment and expecting better returns as investment yield results. So this is what they are saying in their con call on April 2024. So when we combine all these things, we get to see the real picture of this particular script. Yeah, that is all for now. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.